Welcome to Mel's channel. In this video, I want to explain the health benefits of taking octopus soup for men. The health benefits of taking octopus soup for men. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. First of all, octopus are seafoods. So seafoods, they contain a lot of components. So octopus, it has omega-3 fatty acids. Octopus has potassium level. Also, octopus has calcium. Octopus has magnesium, iron, and other minerals. So in this video, I'm going to explain the health benefits of octopus soup for men. It is like this. Studies that they have studies and research. They did different research, and they have shown that octopus soup, it helps in boosting testosterone by 42%. So when you take octopus soup, it boosts testosterone level by 42%. That is according to the research. But also, octopus, it contains high amount of zinc, so it is very beneficial if you have decreased libido. Octopus soup help to increase libido, but also octopus soup help to increase testosterone level. So octopus soup, it increases testosterone level, but also help to increase libido. But also, octopus soup has other health benefits. For example, when you take octopus soup, it is very beneficial in boosting the immunity. Also, since octopus soup, it has omega-3 fatty acids, help in decreasing or reducing the symptoms of major depressive disorder. So you have low mood, loss of interest in doing things. When you take the octopus soup, it is very beneficial since it contains omega-3 fatty acids, so help in decreasing the symptoms of major depressive disorder. But also, octopus soup help to increase cognitive function and intelligence. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.